Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Google Gemini Photo and importing images. This is where you gain control quickly. Once your account is signed in, grant camera and storage permissions so the app can analyze and save edits. Tap the plus icon to choose a folder or pick individual photos from your library. You do not need to configure advanced settings yet, just import the images you want to edit. Make sure the originals are backed up before you proceed, so changes are reversible. You now work through edits, starting with Auto Enhance to correct exposure and color automatically. It gives a reliable baseline. Once done, switch to Manual Tools. Crop for composition, exposure for brightness, and color temperature to fix white balance. Use the Healing or Clone tool to remove distractions. Zoom in and brush carefully for better results. If you want selective changes, apply masks or suggested edits that target faces, sky, or foreground. This keeps adjustments precise and natural. You finish by exporting your final image. Pick Save a copy to preserve the original, overwrite if you're sure, or share directly to Google Photos or apps. Make sure to select the quality and format you need. Choose original quality for prints or a smaller size for quick sharing. If export or processing stalls, clear the app cache, check storage space, and restart the app. If that fails, reboot the device. One troubleshooting tip: re-import the image after a reboot to reset any stuck edits.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.